Stop buying pizza sauce. In just 5 minutes, you can make a fresh, rich pizza sauce at home that tastes better than restaurant pizza. 1 cup tomato puree, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, finely chopped, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. First, heat 2 tablespoons olive oil in a pan on medium heat. Add the finely chopped garlic and sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Now pour in 1 cup tomato puree and mix well. Add salt, sugar, black pepper, oregano and chili flakes. Let the sauce simmer on low heat for 3 to 4 minutes so the flavors blend perfectly. Once the sauce becomes slightly thick and aromatic, turn off the heat. Your fresh homemade pizza sauce is ready. Spread it on pizza dough, sandwiches, or even use it as a dip. If you enjoyed this quick recipe, like the video and subscribe for more easy homemade sauces and recipes.